Don't feel anxious, don't feel shame. If there's a question, it can't wait another day. Don't feel like it's all in vain. I try to remember, it ain't a race. Breathe out, it doesn't matter anyway. Breathe in, it's about happiness in the air.
Alright, so we are gonna get some stuff for baby. Sister's gonna get him a stroller. Hi! Baby is asleep. And our nanny is literally carrying him. He's like literally asleep, so let's go!
You got me into go, dreaming. It's just this feeling and I'm letting go. Don't feel anger, don't feel rage.
The bag of the day would be this, and this is very compact. Like I put in just like whatever that I need inside. Put my mask in there, and really I just have very little things inside this, super little things, and we're having lunch. Yum.
Stop driving myself insane.
我买那个照片比较好看。
Yeah.
当然了。
You got me into go, dreaming. You got me into go, dreaming. You got me into go, dreaming. It's just this feeling and I'm letting go.
Just got my wallet, some wet wipes. You can probably fit more than all these things. You can actually fit a diaper as well. So I've got my perfume, some lip balm, and some hand sanitizer. It actually fits quite a lot. Let me just see. And there's also this compartment behind here. And I just love the material. So you can also remove the strap here and just like wear it. It just reminds me of like Bottega Veneta. Really nice. I like this one. This is called the Vienna bag. So then I don't really close my bag when I use it. I like to just, you know, open it up and just hang it loosely. So check out the website as well. I'll just link it down below.
Don't feel anxious, don't feel shame. If there's a question, it can't wait another day. Don't feel like it's all.
So second on the overlip on top that is scallop hotate from Hotate. The one will be suggest second. Third groups you have two pieces is come from the maguro tuna, which is the red color is the lean part. For the behind one otoro is fattiest part. Also have a piece slightly touch on the skin. The one is kimei golden nice apple. The sting part is you can squeeze the lime on top of the radish. The radish will change color. Okay. Yeah. And go with some wasabi and soy sauce. Enjoy.
Nice.
才模特下映，最后拿 MC。哇！我天啊！我说哇！我就是这啥？现在直接我去台湾那边。
好没？
他们就没想到。这边是
哪里？
Yeah, RAC is a very famous place for the premium seafood.
Ah, okay.
I will see you within the.
Caviar, gold flakes, village sprout for the toppings. So this is my overwing pieces. Yes, 二元的。
Smaller size, yeah, then aged for 1 year. Already hard like wood, but inside is still ruby red. So I will explain further later.
Yeah.
End of the day. If there's a question, it can't wait another day. Don't feel like it's all in vain. I try to remember it ain't a race.
没有咸味的，
因为感觉你们都蛮的。
这个没有咸味。烤鱼是有盐啊，那个是 salt 的。这个是你先是先 lady first。
然后还有喝共喝还有很久一个清香精哦，对不对？黄酒不爱，黄酒。Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to Pretty, happy birthday to you.
Thanks a lot.
Happy birthday to you.
Wow, thank you. You are. Thanks a lot.
You want to make a wish first or take picture first?
It's about happiness in the air. Take it slow, watch the road. Stop driving myself insane. End of the day. You got me into go dreaming. You got me into go dreaming. You got me into go dreaming.
It's like this one.
Yeah, this one's quite cute. It's quite big, right?
It looks so big.
This one is
So bright.
You got me into go dreaming. You got me into go dreaming. You got me into go dreaming. It's just this feeling that I'm letting go. It doesn't matter anyway. It's about happiness in the air. Take it slow, watch the road. Stop driving myself insane. End of the day. Don't feel anxious, don't feel shame.